Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our operator module series. Today we're going to be looking at and, or, and the two division functions. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. I don't know why. This is what we do micro videos. Very small subjects at one time. And we are going to group these four functions together because it would be a little too micro. So alright. Also, one important thing is if you are new here and you have not hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up for me. And most important, make sure you're staying tuned until the end and watching the suggestions that YouTube has for you, because with 800 videos, there may be a chance that there's a video that you have not seen before. So we need to kind of just go over, of course, you kind of know what and or are, but I kind of want to go over a couple of things. So we got A, B, we got X equals, let's do stay consistent 4, Y equals 0. So you might be saying, why do I have X is 4 and Y is 0? Well, I want to remind you that any zero, the zero integer is false, and any integer that is not a 0 is considered true. So let's go ahead and look at how in the world do we use are and. So very important thing to understand. And or, and or, there we go, are keywords in Python. So these two functions have an underscore after them to differentiate between the keyword. And as we know, keywords in Python go orange. So now we have our function. So okay, I want to do A and B. I'm going to compare A and B, and I get false because neither A and B are not both true. So now I'm comparing A and A together. They're both true. I get true. Now I want to show you this one little thing that is, well, I think it's very interesting. So if I pass in now my integers, I want to show you this. If I go X, Y, I'm going to get an integer representation out. I'm going to get 0. It understands that you're what I'm testing, but when I pass an integer, if I turn this true, I still get an integer return. And then if I make this false, that's when I jump and I get my Boolean back. So there we go. Once I change back, and then if I go true here, boom, and then if I go 1, ooh, that's not right. And if I go 1, I'm going to get, again, I changed an integer, I go back. Now let's look at or. OP print OP underscore. And just want to remind everybody, today is Monday, so tomorrow is the bi-weekly. So we will be having, if you are unaware, I'm streaming over on Free Code Camp. So Tuesday, tomorrow, I will be having another stream. So if you've not checked those out, I think we're going to be doing our random password generator. So there'll be chat and everything. So all right, so let's go X and Y, and just so then I get my integer. Here we go. So now this is where it gets weird. So now I'm going to get my integer representation of our true. So let's just show. Print. I might be saying, what are you talking about? So we're going to go print OP underscore. Then let's go A and B. So I have two booleans. So now out of A and B, or is either or of them true? Well, A is true, so I get true. So I remember the first time that I saw this, I was like, that is really, really, really cool. So now let's look at our division. So we know with our operators, we have a regular division and we have floor division. Or in our Python operator area, operator module. I don't know why I said area. This has true division, and here I think I want to do what I do. C equals 4. I guess I could have left that as X. Then D equals 2, and E equals 3. So let's look at, let's bring this up. Let's look at true division. I'm going to do C and D. All right, I got C divided by 2. I get I get a float. Now let's look at floor division. OP dot floor div, and let's go. What do I want to do? Oh yeah, C and E. And what do I get? I get 2 and 1 because I'm taking C and I'm dividing it by E, and I'm using my floor division. So here are the two operator functions for standard or true division with our one divisor sign, and then floor division, which I remember the first time I saw true division, I was like, oh, I've been describing this as I've always talked and heard standard. So in the operator, they refer to it as true division, one divisor, and two divisors are standard that we've always known, floor division. So there we go, guys. Awesome video today. Please drop any comments, questions, videos, requests, and always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.